Today, I will talk about how speaking is important for singing. We must emphasize on speaking so much for singing because if we speak well, we sing well. Why? Because through singing, we express a particular character, a particular poetry, words, and so many expressions. So if you speak well, you portray the character better through your singing. So I have written down a couple of points for you so that you understand things much better. One who can talk can sing. But how do we observe our own talking? It's not possible for us to observe our speaking, our own speaking or talking, or different styles, different mood all the time, right? So we must devise few techniques to observe our talking. Let's say, hey, how are you? How are you doing? It's been a long time, man. I haven't seen you for a while. So now, there is nothing to observe, apparently. But if we can record what we say and how we interact, we can understand so many things. There are so many points to observe. So, for example, suppose you're speaking to your mother or your father or somebody at home. You take your cell phone, you turn on the record button and see how far it goes. For example, you're in the kitchen and your mother is cooking and you went there to ask for a glass of water and you ask, Mom, can I have a glass of water, please? Okay. So now your mom will reply and you will also reply and she will reply again and so on. Now you turn off your cell phone consciously and then you play what you have recorded. You will see a couple of things in your speaking and your mother's speaking as well. So let's learn how we can observe our own style of speaking. However, it is understandable that it is not possible all the time, and to be doing it regularly in a disciplined manner, it takes a lot from our life and it takes a lot of time and understanding as well. So we must convince our mind that over a period of time, we must build up few habits so that it can become very virtual to our own self of singing. So let me talk about first that while observing what you have recorded, you must notice where exactly you're breathing, where you're pausing, where you're lowering your sound, where you're raising your sound, how you whisper, how you scream or shout, and how you project your voice to convince oneself or convince someone of your conviction of, speaking or expression. So let's say how we breathe. Mom, breathe. Can I have a glass of water? Breathe. So we see if we follow the punctuations minutely on a sentence, we can decide very well that where exactly we are supposed to breathe. That's exactly what we do while singing as well. Singing any kind of song that has lyric in it, right? Next, you must understand the functionality of the language because our mother tongue is different and each language functions differently. It needs different stylization of punctuation, a breathing or accent, or the way you remove the accent, everything. While doing that, we must take care of its consonants and its vowels as well. But let's see how we recognize the letter first, because the letter has a very subtle and important role in the language. Each letter has its own time. We cannot extend the time as we wish. Otherwise, the entire rhythm of the language is distorted. So if we learn the consonants and vowels minutely for a language, we can understand the subtle functionality of the letters in a word and finally in a sentence. And according to that, we can push our consonants, we can gulp our consonants, and we can do a lot of things with the language. Obviously, it's not possible for me to demonstrate every aspect of the language speaking in a single video. But all I can say is be a good observer. It's really important to be a good observer, because if we treat a lyric in a song, it means that we are going to treat a literature that has been penned by somebody. So to understand the expression, first we need to go over the language and its functionality first, and then move into reading the lyric over and over again before singing. As I have mentioned, voice is also very important. We have spoken about voice in our last episode. So this particular balance of speaking and singing has to be there finally in the singing. And if you know the consonants and vowels precisely, you can always clean the speech. Let's take an example of a song from the Bollywood. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से. Now, if we apply our observing techniques to this particular part of the song, we will notice each consonant, each vowel functions differently. We have to be a very minute observer. And then we will try to speak the lyric, right? लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, whatever is there. But let's see if we change the time now. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो. So now the entire expression, the entire speaking, everything is being distorted. So we need to fix the time, and the key to maintain the time remains only in your treatment of the language. And then comes the intricacies of the music. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो. So this is the proper timing. So speaking is so important before we sing. And then we have our polishing of pronunciations and other things. But before we go, we must learn how to speak well, because if you speak well, you sing well.